Good morning, everybody. Just recording this video today to get started off with the week. First of all, welcome back, everybody. It's Monday, February 10th. It's chilly outside, but we've got the heater going on in here. Okay, first up, I just want to talk about. Welcome everybody back. I'm looking at a script here. We'll be talking about and reviewing projects and giving feedback this week on your projects. So one thing I'd like you guys to do, and I'll drop this in the Google Classroom, is look at the engineering project site. It's updated. Everybody's project is out there. Everybody's project. I need all of you to take a look at it. Send me 500 words on your summary of the project plan. So I'll put that in the update as well. But that's what we're going to be doing this week. There's a couple of groups I haven't spoken to in a while. Top of my list is Phoenix, and then we could talk to the foosball table team after that. But today, your job is to look at this video, review Google Classroom, and go over your projects on the site. Got Jaden walking in here, so thank you, sir. Go ahead and get started. Mr. McClary, I have a new document out there on concrete rows. Sorry, I'm recording a video here. On concrete rows. So go ahead and look at that. I read it myself over the weekend, and then we can take a look at how to incorporate that into our story. Foosball table team, keep going with your prototype. I can see it taking shape. Looks really nice. Good job, guys. The catapult team, we need to check in with you guys on the catapult itself. So if you could take a look at that and see if you still want to build it. Phoenix, I have a heart rate monitor in there for you. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if that's something you'd like to do. Michael and Syringe, the builds are in there for you to take a look at that we discussed. So let's go ahead and get started on those. I'd like to talk to you guys this week about progress on that project. Next week we have a field trip to APEC Engineering, and I just need to get the paperwork finalized on that. So that's it, everybody. Let me check my script here, see if I missed anything. That's it. Project management. So that's kind of one of the lessons we're talking about this week. We have to define clear goals. We have to set milestones. We have to allocate resources. So for some of the larger groups, that's been a challenge. We have to manage risk, like if the stuff's not going to get done on time. We have to monitor and adjust and then communicate. And that's what we're doing right now. So that's it. Go ahead and get started, and good luck, everybody.